How to delete WhatsApp messages from both sides. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp message from both sides. First, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. To show you, I will write something and send it. Then, hold the text and mark the portion you want to delete. Tap on the delete icon. Now choose delete for everyone. All messages are now deleted from both sides. If you navigate to the old messages, hold the old message. Then tap on delete. Now tap on the delete icon. You'll notice that the delete for everyone option is not available. Hold the message again and tap on info. Focus on the dates. Identify when you send that message. Open your mobile settings. After that, go to general. Now tap on date and time. Turn off the toggle for set automatically. Set the date and time you send the message. Return to WhatsApp and note the time of the message. Adjust the time here to match the message's timestamp. Then go back to WhatsApp. Then open the message. Hold the message and tap on delete. Here, you will find the option to delete your message. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.